ক্লাস 9-এর ইংলিশ লেসন 4 এ ডে ইন দ্য জু। কোশ্চেন অ্যান্সার। তোমরা সবাই মন দিয়ে শোনো, দেখো। তোমরা সবাই কিন্তু সাবস্ক্রাইবটা কিন্তু দিয়ে দিও। How does the sky look as open is awakened by the bird song? The sky will be slightly tinged with yellow when one is awakened by the bird song. How do the parrots and parrakeets salute the pupil? The parrots and parrakeets will salute you with a accompany of sounds. What do all the animals do at the start of a new day? All the animals becomes excited and eager at the start of a new day and bustle about the cage. As the light fades, where does the robin fly off to? As the light fades, the robin flies off to roost in the mimosa tree. What Mark do Jeremy and Mike do in the gorilla cage? In the gorilla cage, Mike and Jeremy swap up the mesh on the floor and scatter fresh while shatters. Describe the stage of the frogs and snakes in the reptile's house. Snakes and frogs doze in a present temperature of 80 degrees. Snakes regards you clearly with lidless eyes and frogs makes gulping sound. What would one see and hear while lying in bed at night? As you lie in bed at night, you watch the moon through the windows, separating itself from the shadow of tree, and you hear the lion's calf. English lesson 5 was summer in a day. Question answer. All summer in a day. Men and women came from the earth of Venus by rockets. The children learned that the sun was like a lemon. The children had long forgotten the color of the sun. When the children felt warm in the sun, they took off their jackets. The children came to know that the sun would come out after 7 years. How did the heavy storms affect the islands of Venus? Heavy storms caused the tidal waves to come over the islands of Venus and Earth thousands forests. What did the children write about the sun? The children wrote small stories, essays and poems about the sun. Where did the children play? The children played in the echoing tunnels of the underground city. How did the jungle in Venus look? The color of the jungle looked like rubber, ash and ink. Why were the children eager to see the sun? The children are eager to see the sun because the sun is coming out for just 1 hour 7 long years. What did the children do immediately after the rain stopped? They stopped running and turning their faces towards the sky to feel the warm sun on their cheeks and took off their jacket, letting the sun on their hands. Why do you think the children were feeling unhappy when it started raining again? The children were unhappy when it started raining again because they have to wait for another 7 years to see the sun give out again. Lesson 6, English Lesson 6, Class 9-এর Milk the Mist upon the Hill. Milk the Mist upon the Hill. Take the correct answer from the given alternatives. The mist was upon the grass. The sorrow of the day is described as silent. The sorrow of the day is described as silent. The hall door mentioned in the poem is new. The broken. The hall door mentioned in the poem is broken. The color of the mist is blue. The damp stands on the grass. Where does the poet herself when she thinks of her childhood? When the poet thinks of her childhood? When does the poet herself when she thinks of her childhood? When the poet thinks of her childhood, she perches herself beneath her father's sheltering roof and near the old door of the hall. What did the poet watch on the cloudy evening? On the cloudy evening after a day of rain, the poet watches the blue mist, the sweet mist of the summer fall, and the horizon's mountain chain. English lesson 7, class 9 এর lesson 7. Tom loses a tooth. Question answer. Which one of Tom's tooth had come loose? One of Tom's upper front teeth and comes loose. How are Sid and Mary related to Tom? Sid and Mary were Tom's cousin. Why did Tom ask Sid not to steal him? Tom asked Sid not to steal him as he was in too much pain and it might kill him. Why did Tom pretend him to was praying? Tom pretended that his tooth was praying because he wanted to stay home from school. What did Tom remember hearing from a doctor? Tom remembered hearing from a doctor that a certain ailment could lay up a patient for 3 days and makes him lose a finger. How did Aunt Polly react to the news that Tom was dying? On hearing about Tom, Aunt Polly followed up stairs. He face grew pale and her lips trembled. She went beside Tom's bed and inquired about his problem. How was Tom's loose tooth taken out? Aunt Polly fastened one end of the steel thread to Tom's tooth and the other end to the bedpost when they pulled the tooth out of Tom's mouth. Class 9 English lesson 2, all about a dog. How many people got into the bath with the younger woman? A man and another woman got into the bus along with the younger woman. What is the conductor's order to the younger woman? The conductor ordered the younger woman to take the dog out. Why did the conductor stand triumphant when the young woman went upstairs? On the roof of the bus, the conductor stood triumphant. What is that rule which cannot be broken without danger to life and limb? Rules such as the rules of the road cannot be broken without danger to life and limb. Class 9 English Lesson 1 Tales of Bhola Grandpa. When did Bhola Grandpa let out a loud wail? When Bhola Grandpa realized that he had lost his grandson while returning from the festival. Where had the grandson found the cozy shelter? The grandson found the cozy shelter under a cow's belly. What request did Bhola Grandpa make to the first man he saw on the mount? He requested the first man he saw on the mount for some water to drink. How old was Bhola Grandpa's wife when he died? When Bhola Grandpa died, his wife was 8 years old. Why was no real treasure found under the sand dunes? Bhola Grandpa confessed that he did not see any gang of rakish beauty of the treasure for real. It was all in a dream which he had during his midday nap. What did the tiger do after Bhola Grandpa and climbed up the banana tree? The tiger roared and circled the tree around 100 times, then it settled down under a bush without taking its eyes off Bhola Grandpa. What was the reason of Bhola Grandpa's death according to his wife? According to his wife, Bhola Grandpa died because the old man must have forgotten to bathe. Class 9 English Autumn 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 Question answer. Autumn question answer. What happens to the leaves of the mochi elm tree in autumn? The first gust takes the folded leaves away from the mochi elm tree and twists them by the window pane along with thousands of others down the lane. What are the things the poet loves to see on November days? On the dull November days, the poet loves to see the maize curling up through the market trees and pigeons nestling round the court. Although the day the fitful goose shakes the casement, the poet loves to see the shaking twig dance till the shoot of ivy. The sparrow sat on the cottage ridge. The pigeons nestled round the court. The cock was crowing upon the dunghill. The grunting pigs scrambled and hurried. Class 9 English All About a Dog. When did the author feel that travel was coming up? When the conductor's eyes fell upon the beady-eyed Pekingese dog the younger woman was carrying, the author felt that travel was coming up. Mention two demands made by the passenger when the bus stopped. The passenger demanded to call the police and report against the conductor and also to return their fares in the bus does not go any further. How are rules of guidance to be observed? Rules of guidance are meant to be observed in the speed and not in the letter of the law for the comfort of the passengers. তাহলে এখানে শেষ করছি, তোমরা সবাই কিন্তু সাবস্ক্রাইবটা কিন্তু দিয়ে দিও।